Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we are going to talk about what is going on with the cryptocurrency market. Of course, we are going to start with Bitcoin. And as you can see here, if you watched my last video, I said that we broke down here and we have to wait. Let me show you on the hourly time frame what Bitcoin is going to do. And as always guys, if you want to trade, if you use the links in the description, down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses if you use my links, and you will also find trading tutorials there. Okay, so let me show you. As you know, we broke down out of this huge ascending channel, and then I said, okay, let's wait. We broke down actually exactly, we touched the line here at 19.8k, and then I said, okay, let's wait if Bitcoin forms a bullish reversal pattern. And actually that's exactly what happened. As you can see here, we formed this descending broadening wedge, and I said once we have a breakout we could enter a long trade. Okay, and as you can see here, this is exactly what happened. Okay, we broke out here and then we touched, we went up, we broke this previous support line, which was now of course resistance, and then we even broke this line and we went up until here. Okay, this white line that you can see here, let me show you the 4-hourly time frame. This was this previous huge ascending channel. Okay, so as of right now, what can you do? First of all, as you can see here, the RSI is pretty overbought, and if you took this trade anyway, you're gonna be in a huge profit. Now let me show you. If you took this trade here, you would be up almost 10%. Okay, let's say if you have a $100,000 position, you would have a profit of $10,000 now. Okay, so and the RSI is pretty overbought. That means it's, of course, it's not a bad idea to take some profits now, guys. It's never wrong to take profits, because anyway, even if you take, let's say for example 50% out and Bitcoin goes up even more, you're still making more money. Okay, so let me show you Ethereum. Actually almost exactly the same as I said for Bitcoin, because as you can see here, we also formed this descending broadening wedge, which is a bullish reversal pattern. Then we broke out here, and actually we now, as of right now, we're touching $1,608. This price level is support and resistance level as of right now, resistance, so we would have to break break it to the upside to go even higher. So let me show you, if you took this trade, then you would also be, let me show you, let's say from here to here, about 10% profit. So both trades would have been really good if you would have taken them. So guys, that's what you can watch out for now. And as same situation as for Bitcoin, RSI is pretty overbought. We are touching this resistance line, so also a good idea to take some profits now, guys. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.